Here at Isaac Grainger, we've been producing components since 1864, and 30 years ago we diversified into raised access floor components. This year we're celebrating 150 years in business. We are one of the UK's largest manufacturers of access flooring components. We produced 3 million components last year, and we have a potential of producing 5 million. Our components are produced to go into floor systems. They go into a number of different builds, like skyscrapers, data halls, data centres, schools and colleges, airports, and they're all hidden beneath your feet. If you've been to any of those buildings and walked across those nice floors, you're probably walking on our componentry. So why have an access floor? Mainly it's to get the surfaces beneath the floor to make the floor surface safe to walk on. All the surfaces go beneath the floor, like the air conditioning, cable systems, pipework systems and heating systems. Not only does it look fantastic, but it can be very versatile. Clients can change the colour of the panels for the season change. Also, they can rebrand the floor system. We also have a client that put a glass system in place which ran a stream underneath the floor system across rocks, and it absolutely looked fantastic. So let's have a look at how we go about fitting our systems. The first job is to assess the subfloor and survey using a laser level. The floor is then prepared, but if it is in bad condition, it may need to be re-screeded. The next stage is to spray the floor with a floor sealer. We use 2 coats, one a yellow and then a red. This is to ensure that 2 coats have been applied. The finished floor level should be 1 metre from the contractor's datum point. A chalk line is marked on the floor, and pedestals are placed down that line at the datum level. Caps are clipped onto the top of the pedestal, and then the pedestals are glued to the subfloor. Now we've reached a point where we can lay the panels from the centre to the outside of the grid. Once the centre is laid, it needs to be left for 24 hours to cure. We can now walk on it, which means that we can fit the outside panels. These are cut by using a vertical bandsaw. An aluminium tape is applied to the cut edge, as well as a neoprene gasket. The neoprene gasket is an expansion gap for the floor system. The cut panel is inserted into the floor, which completes the system. And then all there is to do is to clean the floor and hand it over to the customer.